morning, everyone.
Good morning, sir.
How are you today?
I'm fine. And you?
Okay, so I'm also fine today, and I hope today we all can participate in the science class this morning separately. Okay, so before we start our lesson, maybe Galang, can you please start praying first?
Okay. Before we start the lesson, let's pray together. Start. Finish.
Okay, so thank you, Galang. Okay, so maybe next I will check your attendance first. Okay, first one, Romadoni. Okay, Erika, Amelia, Nadia, Anggi, Marsekal, Elvi, Salma, Arina, Galang.
Present.
Okay, so maybe I will start with introducing myself first. Okay, so maybe if you still don't know about me, hello everyone. My name is Fiorino Farrell. Maybe you can call me Mr. Farrell or Sir Farrell. So from today and onwards, I will be your science teacher. Is that understood?
Yeah.
Okay, so for today's lesson, we will be learning about static electricity. Okay, so is there everyone here who knows about static electricity? No? Okay, so maybe I will give some example. The first one, the most easy one is thunder. Anyone here knows about thunder, right? Thunder,
Yes.
lightning.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is one of the example of static electricity. Then maybe the second one, maybe I don't know if it is normal in this country or not. But in mostly Europe and America, when somebody is coming from outside and gonna go inside the home, when he or she touch the doorknob, sometimes there is a zap of electricity. Maybe it is not particularly normal in this country, but in some country out there, it is a normal example of static electricity. Okay, so for all of you to understand more about static electricity, let's begin with a project. So I will divide you into two groups, then we'll make the project like that. Okay, so for group one, Marsekal, and then Nadia, Anggi, and Arina. And for group 2, is Romadoni, Erika, Amelia, and Salma. Oh, and Galan.
Yeah. Yes, yes, sir.
Oh yeah. So because Galang is in group 2, Melvi going to group 1. Yeah, right. Okay. So right now, maybe the representative from each of the group, maybe one students can go to me. One from each group. And then okay, so maybe you can sit in your own group.
Okay, okay.
Okay, let's sit with your own group.
Ayo. Let's go, guys.
Okay, so now I will okay. Is everybody registered with their group? Okay. So for this practicum, I will okay. So for this group, I will give you a paper. So you can read the instruction in the worksheet. First thing first, you will need to cut the paper into small pieces. Remember to cut it into the small pieces you can, because it will affect the result of your project, of your practicum. Because the smaller piece, then it will more easily get
bigger paper. Maybe in small paper you can see this power statistical electric orang-orang luar biasa.
Ya nanti kayak gitu tidur. Popo. Sampai jadi tidur pas tidur. Dulu kecil gak sih?
Kakak nggak?
Enggak nara iya. Apa begini kok? Enggak.
Okay, so it's success.
Yeah, I agree. It's success.
Okay, so for group 2, right?
Yeah.
So for the group 2, the practicum is already a success. Okay, so next is for group 1.
Tiga doang. Iya tiga doang. It's only from. Kelihatan nggak?
Okay, so how is it? Is group 1 and group 2 already finished their project?
Yeah.
Okay, so already finished. Is there anyone who want to come and present their work first? Anyone? Okay. Group 1. Okay, maybe group 1 you can come join me in front of the class. Group 1.
Ini grup
For the tools and materials, we use paper and pen. Activities carried out. One is wrapping the roller on the wheel. The things that happened, the roller dropped the paper, pull out the piece paper to the roller. Explanation: when the roller that going rapid on the earth, it will make the roller contents negative, and then when put into piece of paper that positive, it will make put out. Then for the wrapping the balloon on the plate, the thing that happens small paper. Sticking on the balloon, and for the explanation.
In your opinion, are the things that happen in activity about the same? Why is that? To experiment
be attracted to the child.
Thank you guys. This is our result and our
Okay, give you applause for group 1. Okay, so next group 2, you can present your work.
Okay, hello guys, we are from Group 2. This time we want to share our result about the experiment activity. So about the experiment, we got roller and some paper. And what's next is we put the roller into the head and wrapping it. And then we put the roller into the piece of paper. And about the result, we share a method.
Okay, for the data, to activities carried out is from the roll on the head, to place the paper against the roll, drop the paper, roll out the piece paper to the roller. Explanation: when the roll is going on the tire, it will make the roller combines negative, and then when cooking the piece of paper that is positive, it will mix to out. For the rolling the power here and here is small papers sticking on the cover and explanation is how
In your opinion, are the things that happen in the plasticity of the system? Why is that? Repetitive writing is more stress, static and repetitive. When protein material are grouped together, they can transfer time.
Example, you can see from is shot from everyday object, thunder and
Okay, what the conclusion did you get from today? The power and paper experiment. So, statistical electronic. Watch the start of the electric chain and shock the correction. When the balloon is wrapped in the pipe, the balloon becomes electrical chain and is available right to small piece of the paper. This work because the electrical static that is attraction between objects with a different chain. This experiment brought to electric chain can cause interaction between objects without.
I think that's all from Group 2. Thank you so much for your attention.
Okay, give applause for group 2. Okay, so that is for your project or practicum. So after doing the project, I think all of you start to know a little about static electricity. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay, so from the project, what is considered the static electricity from the project that you are doing? Is it the wrapping, or is it the balloon or the roller that can pull the paper? Yes?
Yes.
Okay, so why is that? Why the roller or the balloon can pull the paper? Because from when you rub it in your hair, the electrical change, right? Okay, so what is the electrical change that occur? Do you guys know about atom, electron, proton?
Yeah.
Okay, so when you rub your object into the hair, what part of the atom is moving? The electron. Okay, that's like Galang and Doni. So when you rub the balloon or the roller into your hair, the electron from your hair will move from your hair into the object. So because of this, the object is full of electron and it is become a negative object. So because it's become negative, it can pull the piece of paper. So that is one of the example of static electricity and how you make a static electricity one. So next I will teach you more detail about static electricity. The first one, the meaning of static electricity. Static electricity, also known as electrostatic, is the accumulation of electric charge on the surface of an object, usually due to the transfer of electrons. If we talk about the project that you do before, then the transfer of the electron is from where to where? Transfer from here to roller or balloon, right? Okay, so it can be considered as static electricity. Next, static electricity is generated when two materials rub against each other. So when the project before, the roller or the balloon is rubbing against the air, right? So because the rubbing, the electron get transferred from one material to the other. So the object that receive electron become negative, where the object that release its electron become positive. Next. Okay, so I already said about positive, negative, and such before. So what it is? What is positive and negative? So the positive atom and the negative atom is the type of electric charge. There is 3 types of electric charge, and it is come from the state of the electron and the proton, or from the negative ion and the positive ion. So when the electron have the same amount as the proton, it is become a neutral atom, while the one that have more electron and less proton, it is become a negative atom, while the one that has more proton and less electron, it is become a positive atom. Okay, so from the project, you already know that when the roller or the balloon is become negative, it can pull the paper, right? So why is that? Okay, so we will need to learn about properties of electric charge. So when there is two similar electric charge, it will repel each other. So when there is positive and positive, it will repel each other. Same about when there is a negative and a negative. But if there is a different electric charge, like if there is a positive and a negative, it will attract each other. So that is what happens when you pull the different electric charge, like if there is a positive and a negative, it will attract each other. So that is what happens when you pull the paper, it can be pulled because the negative ion from the roller or from the balloon, it will attract the positive ion in the paper. So the paper can be pulled. That is. So next, we will learn about some example of static electricity. So if you all actually remember from when I started class, I am actually already mentioned some of the example. The first one is lightning. So lightning is actually one of the example of static electricity. Why? Because maybe you can say that it was lightning is a super large static electricity. So lightning is happen while the negative ion in the clouds will travel to the earth because the earth is have many positive ion. So the electron that travel, it will become a thunder. So that is a simple expression of how lightning works. So the next one, you actually already doing it. A charged balloon sticking to air. Maybe in your case, it is sticking to paper. The next one, a charged comb or roller sticking up small piece of paper. You already did it. Then the next one, shocks from everyday object. So when you pick up an object, especially if it is metal, sometimes it will shake you a little. That is because that is an electricity in here. Okay, so is there anyone maybe that can name some example maybe from your experience? Okay, Galang.
In India, I remember when we use salary. So long, we making it difficult to remove quick culture. Salary has an electron from outside.
Okay, so thank you, Galang. So maybe that is a new insight for us, right? So when because Indian traditional clothing is one of them is sari. So when you go outside using sari, when you want to take it off, maybe it can become hard to take because from when you are outside, so many electrons from the outside can stick to your sari. So that is one of the example of static electricity. Thank you, Galang, for sharing your insight with us. Okay, so that is from the example. Okay, next one, I have a short YouTube video. Maybe you can edit it for a little.
To understand static
Okay, so that animation is the depiction of what happens when you drag object. So that is the direction of what you do before when you wrap your balloon or roller to your hair. The electron from the hair can jump to the roller or the balloon. So that is what makes the static electricity, and that is also what makes the electricity imbalance, which will happen and then will make the roller become negatively charged. Okay, so that is for the battery. So for the last one, there is a quiz for all of you. Maybe you can scan the QR and answer the quiz. Okay, so because everyone already finished the quiz, so we are already in the okay, so because everyone is already finished with the quiz, we are already in the end of our meeting today. So I hope this meeting can bring us benefit, and this meeting can bring you and me a new insight that can benefit us in the future. So that is for today. Thank you all of you for attendance for this classroom. That is. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.